Hi everyone, welcome to drivinglessonscork.ie. We're going to do a little video on the driving test and your insurance disc. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. The insurance disc on your car for the driving test can often be a source of considerable annoyance if it isn't right, if the driving tester judges it not to be right on the day of your test. I have two discs here, folks, from 2015, which I will show you. Now, I keep them, they're old discs, but I keep them to show people what's not acceptable about the discs. So here we are. This is the first disc here, and there's no green strip on the side of the disc. So this insurance disc would not be acceptable on the day of your test. Everything else about it is right, except there's no strip on the side, green strip on the side of the disc. Bar the fact, of course, now that it's 2015, but as I said, that's only for illustration purposes. I'm showing you the disc. It's an old disc, I know that. Second disc I'll show you has the green strip, okay, and it has a serrated edge on the side of it, which means it was taken from this original insurance disc. It was taken from the original insurance certificate you got posted to you from your insurance company. However, this insurance disc would not be acceptable in 2015 when it was on the car because the print is faded here. They will not accept that disc. Also, the driving testers will not accept a photocopied insurance disc, even though it might have a green strip on the side and it might be very legible and everything. They will not accept it because it has to have a serrated edge on the side of the disc, as I showed you earlier, to prove that it was taken from the original insurance certificate. All these rules and regulations are shown on the document you get for your driving test, entitled Final Checks for Your Driving Test. Everyone who gets a driving test date gets one of these documents, either emailed to them or they get it in the post. Point number 6 here explains it all. It says you must be insured to drive the vehicle. The vehicle must display a current valid with a green strip, original with serrated edge, insurance disc against a white background with a green band extending along the left hand side. The disc must clearly show the registration number or fleet name of the vehicle, not chassis number, and the policy dates. If the details are faded, you should get the disc replaced prior to your test. So folks, that point number 6 there on this document you get sent to you before your driving test, you have to know that. And you should read the whole document, because this whole document contains information that you need to know about your driving test before you go to sit it. It's emailed directly to you or sent directly to you by the Road Safety Authority, so you've no excuse if you don't know what's on this disc and if your insurance disc is incorrect on the day. You see, some insurance companies, they actually they post you or they email you your insurance certificate, but if you print it off at home or at work and it's not, and you take the disc off it, the insurance disc off it, it's not the original insurance certificate to be taking the original disc off of it. You have to get the original certificate with the original disc on it, so when you take the original disc off the original insurance disc, the serrated edge is on the side of the disc, and it has to be visible to the driving tester on the day of your test. They do check these things, folks, so please make sure that you don't get caught with either an invalid insurance disc or not the original insurance disc on the day of your test. It's most annoying when people, for people when they get caught with this problem on the day of their driving test. Okay folks, hopefully that information will be of benefit to you. And as I said, if you like the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel. We'll try and put videos up to help people along with their driving. Until next time, thank you very much.